Hey guys, welcome to another video from me, Stephen Hamilton, the founder of the Property Circle. Join us today with our latest venture in Blackpool, where we're going to take you through all the numbers, what it costs us, and a breakdown of the renovations. Come inside and take a look. So guys, this is the second time I've been to this house since we bought it. It's a 3-bedroom, mid-terraced in Blackpool. It's a great house, we got it for a great price. I'm going to explain to you how we got it as well. I'm going to walk around the house and show you guys what we're going to do with it. It's got a great sized garden, the neighbours are amazing, I've just had a really good conversation with them. We already own 2 houses on this street actually, so we're very familiar with this area. As you can see, the radiators are new. So walking around the house, that's an expense that we're going to save on right from the off. Another thing I think we're going to save on is having to replaster the whole of this house. The reason I say that is because I have walked around and looked at all the walls in here and they all look like they're in good condition. So maybe a light skim is what we need to do. As you know guys, at the Property Circle, we like to knock the chimney breast out. There's this one that runs through the whole of the house that will come out completely. Carpets will be done. All the flooring throughout the house will be done. All the doors will be changed. The electrics are in great shape as well, so they won't need to be changed. The lights will be changed for spotlights throughout the whole of the house. That's because we was going to flip this property, but with the way the market is at the moment, buy, refurbish, refinance seems like the smartest option. The 1970s style spindles will be changed for a more modern feel. There'll be new banisters put on the wall as well to make it more modern and give it a fresh look. Come upstairs and I'll show you the bedrooms and the bathroom. So, welcome to the upstairs guys. This is the master bedroom. As you come in, you can see the chimney breast that's there. This will be knocked out with the one downstairs to give some more space. I'm not happy about this either. I'm going to speak to the builder to see if we can get this moved. The height restriction, it doesn't give a good feel to the room. Also guys, if you know me, I love it when we save a little bit of money. Makes Max's job a lot easier. The previous owners bought 4 doors for upstairs, which they left in the property for us. So as long as Max can match these up for the ones downstairs, we've saved a little bit of money. Happy days. Pulled off some paper. Plaster doesn't look that bad at all. Hopefully, like I said, when the builder comes in this afternoon, he'll say just a light skim in certain places. We are changing all the windows and the doors in the whole place. They need to be done. Electrics are great, like I said. Going to change it into the spotlights in all the rooms. This will go, give more space into the room, a bigger feel, make it more homely. This is the bathroom guys. It's got the bath, the toilet and the sink, which is all going to be replaced with a new modern bathroom. We're going to have light grey wall tiles, white floor tiles, and we're going to make it really modern and fresh. We're going to put spotlights in here, completely change the look of this bathroom. This is the second bedroom of the 3 bedrooms in this house. It's a very similar size to the master bedroom, which I'm really happy about. Again, like I've mentioned throughout the video, the walls are in really good condition, so hopefully we do not need to plaster. A light skim, like I mentioned. Windows will be changed. 2 of these cupboards will be knocked out. Create some extra space in the whole of the bedroom. Carpet all throughout the place will be changed into light grey carpet. Great bedroom. Really happy with this house. This garden is huge. Because this outdoor space is so huge, we are going to spend a few £1000s to get it right. We're going to replace all of this with fresh turf. We're going to replace all of the fence panels from front to back. We're going to replace this window. We're going to replace this doors, give this more of a modern feel. We're going to give it the Property Circle touch. Can't wait for you guys to see the finished product of the garden. So this is the kitchen. It's quite small at the moment, but what we're going to do is knock this side of the wall out, that side of the wall out. We're going to move the boiler into the loft, and then the kitchen will be open into the dining room, which also runs around into the living room, giving it a really modern, open plan feeling. So now it's a breakdown of the numbers, which is my favourite part of the whole house. We paid £103,000 for this house. We paid £3,090 for stamp duty and £2,000 for legal fees. So the renovation cost is going to be approximately £20,000, which takes our total spend to £128,000. Having already spoken to some local estate agents, and we already have local knowledge ourselves as we own multiple properties in this area, we know the end value is going to be £145,000 to £150,000. That gives us a grand total of £17,000 to £22,000 profit. Guys, if you're new to property and are struggling to find deals like this, or you already have a portfolio and you're struggling to grow it further, you need to join my property education program today. The link is in the description below, and learn how to make profits like these. I really don't think we're going to have to you bastard! This is the this is the bedroom. It's a 3-piece bathroom. We've got the toilet, toilet.